Testing your vehicle's emissions at a self-service VEIP kiosk can be a great alternative to visiting a VEIP station. Self-service VEIP kiosks are open 24/7, located throughout Maryland, and can save you time and money. To find a kiosk closest to you, visit mva.maryland.gov. In this video, we'll cover how to prepare for your VEIP test, what to bring with you, and how to complete your emissions test at a self-service VEIP kiosk. Before heading out, make sure you have your testing notice, or tag number and last 4 digits of your vehicle identification number, which can be found on your registration card, insurance card, or your My MVA online services account. Please note the kiosks only accept credit cards and are able to test vehicles 2005 or newer. For the most up-to-date information, visit our fees page. Next, locate the OBD cable port inside your vehicle. The connector is typically located on the left side of the steering wheel. Please note, locations of connectors may vary. To find your vehicle's connector, please refer to your vehicle's owner's manual. Once you arrive at the kiosk, secure your vehicle by shifting into park or neutral, engaging the parking brake, and by turning the vehicle off. Next, scan the test notice or enter your information manually using the touchscreen keyboard. Do not attempt to scan your vehicle registration card. Next, verify the vehicle's information, submit payment via credit card, and wait for your payment to be processed. You're now ready to begin your test. First, pull open the door handle of the kiosk compartment and remove the cable from the windowed cabinet. Once the cables are connected, start the engine and wait while the vehicle's information is downloaded to the kiosk. When prompted, turn off the vehicle's engine, disconnect the cable from the vehicle, and return it to the kiosk. Please ensure the door is firmly closed. Be sure to get your receipt. This contains all of your vehicle's information and is updated in the MVA system in 24 to 48 hours. Thank you for using MVA's VEIP self-service kiosk.